If you want to point your domain to an IP address in GoDaddy, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to update your DNS correctly so your domain starts pointing to your server. This is useful when you've moved your website to a new host, set up a VPS, or simply need your GoDaddy domain to resolve to a specific IP address. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy web hosting and DNS tutorials. All right, let's get into it. First, open GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to My Products. This is where all of your purchased domains and services are listed. Under the Domains section, find the domain you want to point to your IP address and select it. Next, look for the DNS option, sometimes shown as Manage DNS. Click that, and you'll be taken to the DNS Management page for your domain. This is the area where you control records like A records, CNAME records, and other DNS settings. Now, find the A record. The A record is what connects your domain name to an IP address. If you want your root domain, like yourdomain.com, to point to a server, this is the record you need to edit. Click the Edit icon next to the A record. In the host field, set it to the @ symbol, like this, @. This tells GoDaddy that the record applies to your main domain, not a subdomain. Then, in the Points To field, enter your server IP address. This should be the exact IP address provided by your hosting provider, VPS provider, or server setup. Make sure you type it carefully, because even one wrong number will keep the domain from resolving properly. If there's already an old IP address in that record, replace it with the new one. If you have multiple A records and you only want one main destination, make sure you understand which records are active so you don't create conflicts. After that, click Save. That's the most important step, because without saving, your changes won't take effect. Once saved, GoDaddy will update the DNS record, but keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. In some cases, it can update within minutes, but in other cases, it may take a few hours, and occasionally up to 24 to 48 hours depending on the network and caching. If your site doesn't load immediately, don't panic. First, double-check that the IP address was entered correctly. Then make sure the A record is pointing to @ and not a subdomain by mistake. Also confirm that your server itself is set up correctly and that your web hosting is ready to receive traffic for that domain. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now pointed to your IP address using the A record. This is one of the most common DNS tasks, and once you know where to click, it's actually very simple. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and comment if you want a guide on pointing subdomains, changing name servers, or connecting a domain to hosting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.